All right, it's gonna be shot a little bit lower than normal, but I think you can see my face if I kind of bend down. So, yeah, what's up? My name's Austin. I fish. So obviously, let's start out by saying I mean, this is a good video. I lose a big fish, very, very big fish, probably the biggest fish I've ever had in my life. You'll see it, but what happened was the line broke. Biggest fish in my life, right? So it was definitely bigger than anything I've ever seen. And I big eye a lot of fish on this lake just because of how hard they fight. And you can go watch videos, or you come to this lake yourself, and you'll see how hard these fish fight. It's crazy. These Lone Star bass are crazy. I mean, a 2.5 feels like a 4 all day. A 4 feels like a 6. They're fat, and so they're short, but they're fat, like they're giant fish. Anyway, this fish was long and fat. I had him at the boat. It wasn't just like he fought me hard, like he was at the boat and he was pulling. You hear him pull the drag, that rod. So I had 17-pound fluoro, and that is a Bass X Heavy 7.4 on a SLX XT, drag all the way down, with 17-pound fluoro. It broke me off, but I mean, it was yanking my drag. And then I did go and change immediately. I changed all my 17-pound rods to 20-pound. I've still been getting bites. You'll see some videos with 20-pound. It's not that big of a deal. Clearly, I think it's saved me some fish. I've caught some 4s since then. Yeah, I think there was fray in the line that day, and that's just, it is what it is. So yeah, let's just, the rest of that day, it was windy. You can see my hat looks goofy. Like my rope on my hat was up like first half of the day. This video is made up of 2 days of fishing, so you'll notice that I change outfits halfway through. I was fishing the same area. Yeah. Thank you for letting me know, my good boy. I appreciate it. Yeah. Okay, but you can't be up here. If you do, you got to get. Well, it's locked, but you can here. You want up? You come back here. You can't. Well, you got to make the jump, buddy. Come on. It wasn't anyone else's fault. All right. While the dog's here, he was barking. There's someone walking by, and he's letting me know about it. He has his watermelon on. I don't want to go into it. He has ear infections. He's been itching his ears. He's on medicine for it, but he keeps itching his ears. So we got a watermelon. Anyway, come back here. Come on. All right. It was a windy day, good day of fishing. And hope to get out there. And I have a couple more videos. I think I have one more video, maybe 2, already primed up on Bois D Arc. And then after that, and really, I think I'm going to fish it less in the winter. You'll see a lot more videos out at Lake Texoma, Lake Ray Roberts, and some of these smaller lakes up around this area I'm going to fish. Just right now, I really feel like I can get a giant fish out of there, and I really want to stay on it. I mean, in the winter, you can too. I feel like Texoma fishes really well in the winter. Bow fishes really well in the winter. And that's because, obviously, smallmouth are in those lakes, and I love catching smallmouth. So, yeah. Yep, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this video, and like and subscribe. I was reeling it in. I don't know if that's a sign or not. But damn, I can't grab it. There we go. Come on, buddy. Chill up. On the top of the mouth. Right where you want to hook them. Restart this. Looks like where they're going, at least. This one. He's pulling me good. He's pulling me good. I don't know how big he is. Oh, he's not big. He's not big. He's just got one hook in too. Ooh. Not a bad one though. Hey, I'm not mad at that. What we are gonna do is get out the pliers though, because again, trauma. All right, number 3. This one, little pound and a half probably. Definitely a keeper. Oh. Number 4, another little one. Would love to figure out how to get on some bigs here today. Just have not been on them. Just haven't been on them. Oh, he came off. Well, I was just a little guy, so I'll take it, I guess. Maybe that's a sign that they're biting again. I didn't even think it was a fish, to be honest with you. One brush pile back here seems to be the place that has all the fish. You have to wonder who else has figured that out. Oh, come on, stay down. Stay down, little guy. He ain't big, but he sure is slim. Jesus. Okay. All right, another little one. Back in. Another little one. Happy to have him. I followed there. All right, for real though, last cast if I don't get bit. I got bit. It's a little one, but that's funny. Last cast if I don't get bit, then get bit. All right. Okay. Yeah, I still think that's going to be my last cast with that bait for now. So I think feels like the size is going to come from flipping. So that's just the vibe I'm getting after that little guy. And that's kind of all I've seen chase me is those little guys. Really weird. Oh, it's a big fish. Don't get it in the shoulder water. Don't get in the trouble. Oh god. Oh, it snapped me off. Oh, it snapped me off. Oh, it snapped me off. No. No. I saw it. I just wanted to tell you I just lost a 10-pounder at the boat and I'm about to cry. I saw it. It was at the boat. It snapped me off at the boat, bro. Biggest fish I've ever seen in my life, bro. I'm about to cry.
What was it on?
A 17-pound fluoro on a brush hog.
Mm-hmm. Wait, like he just shook the bait or the line broke?
Line broke.
Oh my gosh, dude!
At the boat, bro. I literally was about to reach in and get him.
You saw it.
Yeah, no, I mean I saw it. It's the biggest fish. It was. I don't know if it was a 10, but it was bigger than my PB. It was an 8+.
Shit, man.
I mean, I was baby brush hog, green pumpkin.
Sounds windy out there too.
Probably had some frayed line here. That was probably my fault. And yeah, it's probably my fault. Frayed line, and after coming over some of those trees and didn't get them right, or didn't retie. It's just lessons learned. Just lessons learned, and I'm not going to sit here and I don't know. I really don't know. We're going to go back over there. We're going to flip back in there. Who knows? Let's restart. I have any doubt in my mind that thing was all of 9 pounds.
Are you serious?
Yeah, dude. I called my buddy Michael and I told him, dude, I was like, dude, I'm literally about to cry. Like, it's all on video. Like, it's actually like.
Can you see the fish?
Yeah, dude. I was about to pick it up. I was about to literally kneel down. Like, I was getting ready to get down in the boat and kneel down, and it broke my line. Swam off.
Why don't you have a net?
I do, but I didn't want to get it out because I saw this fish. I knew how big it was. I was like, I'm not going to waste time fighting it, getting it to the other side of the boat, to get my net. And I have it out now, but I was going to just lip it, but I didn't even get to that point. Like, it's not like I lost it while I was trying to lip it. I lost it as I was about to start. It just broke me off, brother. I mean, it just snapped my line.
A 10-pounder.
Biggest fish I've ever seen, Jesse. Like, unbelievably large fish. Hold on, I have a big one on. Hold on. Oh, it's not that big. It's only like 2.5 pounds. It's not even. It's a little one. Oh man.
Sure. Hold on, I got a big one on.
Dude, I have the adrenaline right now from that fish, bro. I'm telling you.
I know, dude. I'm sorry. Good news. You want to hear my good news?
Sure, buddy. Jig might catch him out there, Just, I don't know. Shit. It's a little one. There's a bunch of fish out here. Really just gotta get them in a bite. I'm way hung up in these. I went over some branches for this guy. He's not that big, but it's gonna take some work to get him out. I'm sure you guys can see it on the camera at this point. Oh, fuck. The amount of spiders and shit in here. It's crazy. I knew that cast would get it, though. It's just a hard cast to make. I mean, I'm not really super concerned about the fish at this point. What I am concerned about is getting my shit back. Oh, hands on him. Okay. All right. He's just around that a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Okay. All right. All right. Decent one. I watched him eat it. Watched him fucking eat it. Damn. Hear a boat coming back here. Crazy that all this time I've been back here alone. Oh my god. Someone driving by. Of course, I hook up the one time. And he's stopping. He's stopping. Don't stop. Don't stop. No way this guy does what he's doing. No way. No way. I'd love to speak a big into existence tonight. Don't know if that'll happen. But I'm going to try it, you know?